What's up, guys? Good morning. Your boy Big A here coming at you. I'm here at a Walmart. Gonna head on in. Hopefully I get lucky. Wish me luck. I'll catch you guys inside. Alright guys, so here we are in the Hot Wheels section. So as you can see, they haven't put anything out. Let's see what else they have. They have these mystery packs over here. I'm not going to bother because I'm pretty sure that the good ones have already been taken. Let's see what we have for Matchbox. Looks like they have a bunch of repeats. I'm still looking for that Bugatti Deco in gray. Looks like that's the one that everyone wants and takes. So let's see. Let's keep on digging. See what they have. So yeah, this one's giving me a hard time. So finally was able to put it back. Nothing new. Let's take a look up here. Nothing. They have this cool little police car in green, but don't really care for it. I'm gonna look over here, see what we have. Pretty much the same old. Let's see up here, same old. Let's see. Uh-oh, look. There it is, guys. Finally found it. Wow. This car has been running away from me for quite some time, so I'm very lucky I found it. Definitely taking this one home. Let's see what else they have. They have this cool little Porsche. Very, very cool. Really dig those red rims on it. Very, very nice. Definitely taking it. Let's see what else they have. Let's see, they have the police Interceptor there. It's cool, but it's really not my cup of tea, so I'm just gonna leave it behind for someone else. Let's see what they have. They have this cool little Jeep over here. Not bad, but I'm gonna leave it behind. Let's see what they have over here. They have the Hot Wheels rig haulers. These are pretty cool. Don't really collect these. Well, actually, I don't collect them. Don't know anything about them. If you guys know of any chases or treasure hunts or anything like that, please let me know in the comments. I would greatly appreciate it. Let's see what they have. This one looks pretty interesting. Don't remember seeing this one around. Oh, look at this one, guys. This one's pretty cool. This one has the airplane. It looks like represents some fire station or something. So it's pretty cool, but I'm gonna leave it there for somebody else. Check that one out. Pretty cool. The Deco is actually not that bad on these guys, but you know, like I said, too bad I don't collect them, but I do just want to share with you what they have. This one's a nice yellow one with a quad. Pretty cool. Let's check out this purple one over here. Not bad. Pretty cool Deco. Let's see what else they have. Looks like they have another one and another one over there, and let's see what they have back here. There's another one with a pedal metal. All right, guys, let's put everything back. Please remember to put everything back. If you drop something, please put it back, guys. Employees appreciate it, and they are more than likely to help you out if you help them make their jobs easier. Plus, you know, it's good karma. It's the right thing to do, so please pick up after yourselves. Let's see. Let's put this one back over here. Let's see what else they have. Let's put this one back over here. And let's see. Gonna put this one back over here somewhere where it belongs. Let's take a look at these Hot Wheels team transports. Looks like somebody took that Corvette out of this pack. As you can see, it's taped up. Guys, if you guys can't afford this hobby, please don't ruin the experience for us, man. You guys make us look really, really bad. Let's see. They have this cool little Mazda. I keep passing on this one for some reason. I mean, it's cool and all, but I don't know, for some reason it doesn't really catch my eye. And it looks like it was begging for me to take it with me, but you know, I'm still gonna leave it there. So let's see, over here we have a few premiums. Don't care for those. Here we have some Mario. Looks like it's a brand new case there, but no one cares for it. Here we have some of these Hot Wheels Stars and Stripes. I don't care for these either. Let me show you what they have. So this is the El Camino. Here's this Plymouth, I believe. So pretty cool. Let's see what else they have. Here's another one. And let's see, pretty much they're all the same. So let me put these back. All right. So let's move on to these Matchbox Superfast. Looks like there's a bunch of peg warmers. You know, the good ones, you know, have already been taken. So, you know, these are pretty cool as well. You know, this one was very sought out for a while, but, you know, after a while, people just started leaving them behind. Let's see what they have over here on these Nascar Die Cast. I don't know too much about these. I know there's supposed to be like chases and stuff like that, but I don't know very much about these. If you guys know, please leave a comment. Let me know what I should be looking out for. Some kind of a sign or a particular color or deco or whatever. You know, I would greatly appreciate it. Here's this one. This one's pretty cool. You know, I do like the deco in this on these cars. You know, they have a lot of different sponsors and everything, but I just you know, just don't collect them. Oops, here I am dropping stuff. Put this back over here. Let's see what they have here with these Jada Toys Just Trucks. That one's pretty cool. Here they have the this Hummer. Pretty cool. This is a color variant. So this one I already have. I did a video on this one. It's pretty cool. Now we have it in this cool matte green. It's really cool. Let's see what else they have. Let's see. They have that one right there. Don't know if it's a chase. Here we have this Expedition. Pretty cool. Ooh, check this one out, guys. This nice little Ford F100. Pretty cool. I really love the ring around the rims and the silver color with the flames. Really cool. Taking it with me. Let's see what they have down here. They have some of these Avengers cars from Jada Toys. Looks like they're all the same. Let's keep on digging, see what they have. Here's a third one, and here is this one here. Here's a Chevy Bel Air with the Captain America deco. Pretty cool, but I'm gonna pass on it. Let's see what they have back here. Look, here's Micro Machines. I'm gonna put this up here so that you guys could see these cars better. So they have the McLaren here, I believe. And here's this cool little silver GTR. Pretty cool. Really like the color combination. Very, very nice. Here's this one here. Very cool. Camaro in a nice matte green. It looks a lot shinier on camera, but I assure you guys, you know, it's the color is a lot less brighter in up close. So here's the Escort. Here is this other cool one here. Looks like a Skyline. Pretty cool. Let's see what they have back here. This is Dom's Charger. Very, very cool. Too bad that you know, they're too big, you know, for my taste. I really, you know, I have a few of them, but you know, I try not to get myself into more trouble. So let's take a look at this one here. This one's really cool. This Chevy pickup. This is a really cool Raptor in black. Very, very nice. I believe there's a blue one out there. I've seen it, but it looks a lot better in this black. Pretty cool. And here they have this nice little Toyota 2000. Very, very nice. So let's see here. They have some of these rocket launchers. Doesn't look like they did very well. You know, every time I come, there's full of them. Here, you know, same thing with those tech decks. And here are some pretty cool Hot Wheels monster trucks. So let's see. This one here is, I'm very tempted to buy this one. I love the Hot Wheels race team deco on these. It's really cool. I might pick it up sometime, but for now I'm gonna pass. Let's check out this one here. Very cool. Very nice. Let's see what else they have. This was pretty cool. What do you guys think? Let's see what else they have. Let's see. Oops. Pretty much the same. And they have some of these Monster Jam. They're all the same, so I'm not even gonna look through them. Let's see what we have back here. Let's take a look down here, see what else they have, guys. So here's this cool Mustang from Jada Toys. Mustang Hunter. I know you're gonna like this one, man. I mean, this one's really cool. It's too bad that you know, the scale is too large and they take up way too much room, in my opinion. But it's a very nice casting. Let's see what else they have. They have this other one, same model, but now we have it in white. Very cool. Let's see. Looks like that's pretty much it, guys. Alright, guys, so I was getting ready to head out, and I noticed that there was this display case with a bunch of premium castings locked up. And you know, this is why I keep saying, guys, if you guys can't afford to get into this hobby the right way, if you guys can't afford to buy them, please do not ruin the experience for us who can afford to buy these cars. It's bad enough that when we go hunting, we have people watching us like hawks, and it's just not a good feeling, man. I don't blame stores for doing this, but at the same time, you know, it's not fair for us honest collectors who can buy these cars to have to pay a price because of other people's wrongdoings. So again, guys, please don't do it. You guys take care. God bless, and I'll see you guys in the next video.